Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to English class. For today's class, open your notebook so we can start with our exercises. So last class I gave you the homework of making your title page and doing your hard words. So this is what your title page should look like. First you have your date and day, then below that you write English, page 27, and in the center unit 2, red car. And after that, reading and explanation done. And if you feel like drawing it, being creative, you can draw a red toy car in the center of your page here after your title. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can as well. Now turn to a new page. Your homework was exercise hard words. You know you have to write each word 5 times. So your hard words were loud, horn, light, window, beautiful, handsome, birthday, present, package, friends. You have to write all these words 5 times. Next exercise is make sentences. So here are 5 words and you will make your own sentences for it. These are just my ideas. Number 1 is favorite. This means pasandida. So I wrote my favorite food is pasta. Then you can write anything you want. Number 2 is toys. I wrote I love playing with my toys. For number 2, you can also write, I love to play with my toys. This is another way to write this sentence. Instead of using playing, you can say to play. I love to play with my toys, full stop. Number 3 is gift. I wrote, my father gave me this doll as a gift. Number 4 is beautiful. I wrote, butterflies are very beautiful. Full stop. Make sure to put a full stop after every sentence. Number 5 is birthday. I wrote, my family gave me many presents for my birthday. Okay students, now your notebook work is done. Open your books to page number 28 where we will start with our book exercises that you will do in your book. Yes. So the first one is learn to read 1. Tick the right picture. The first one has been done for you. So this is very easy. They have given us 2 pictures and we will tick the correct one. So the first one is done for us. Number 1 is Toyo. Students, in the story, what was Toyo? Toyo was a red toy car. So let's look at the first picture. The first picture is of a red toy motorbike. Okay, and then the second picture is of a red toy car. So what is Toyo? The red toy car. So you will tick the second picture. Now come to the next page. Now we have to do these ourselves. So number 2 says Hadi. Who was Hadi, students? Yes, he was a small boy. So the first picture is a small girl and the second picture is of a small boy. So which one will you tick? Yes, the small boy. Good job. Number 3 says it is Hadi's birthday. So in the first picture you see a small boy with a backpack. Of course he's walking. That means he's probably walking to school. Then in the second picture you see many children and they are enjoying in a party. So which one do you think is more accurate to the statement it is Hadi's birthday? Yes, the second picture. They are all enjoying in a party. It's a birthday party. So the second picture, you will tick that. The number 4 is Hadi's mother gives him a present. The first picture shows a mom giving her son a gift. In the second picture, you see a mom giving her son what looks like a glass of milk. So of course, the correct answer is the first one. So you will tick this because the mom is giving a gift, a present. Okay, good job. Now number 5 is a talking car. So in the first picture, you see a red toy car and it's saying, hello Hadi. Whereas in the second picture, it is only a red toy car. It's not saying anything. So students, which one will you tick? Yes, of course, the first one because it's talking. It's a talking car. Good job. Now number 6 is Hadi is very happy to get the car. So in the first picture, you see Hadi, he is with the car and he is crying. In the second picture, Hadi is with the car and he looks happy. So which is the correct one? Yes, the second. So you will tick that. Okay students, now on the next page, page 30, we have learn to read 2. Talk about this. When Toyo starts talking, is Hadi afraid or happy? If a toy car spoke to you, how would you feel? Okay, first of all, you have to make notes about this, so you can make it on your book, or you can also write it in your notebook if you want. So, let's see. Was Hadi afraid or happy when Toyo talked, students? In the book, they also showed you in the story that Hadi says, "Oh, a talking car. What fun," right? Look at your page number 28. You can see here he says, "Wow, a talking car. What fun." So what does this mean, students? How did Hadi feel? Of course, he was happy. He was excited, right? And then the second part of the question, it's according to you, about yourself. How would you feel? So you can write whatever you feel. Of course, you would feel happy just like Hadi did. You could say excited. You could also feel interested. Anything like that, you can write it down. Now come to the next exercise, which is learn words. Number 1, from the words given below, underline 5 things that you can find in a car. One has been done for you. So look at this box. You just have to underline 5 things that you can find in a car. So the first one they've underlined is wheels. Then hands. No, it's not part of a car. Horn. Yes, it is a part of a car. You will underline it. Legs. No. Seat. Yes. Door. Yes. Eyes. No. Brakes. Yes. So your 5 words you will underline are? Yes, good job. Wheels, horn, seat, doors, brakes. Good job. Now move on to number 2. So number 2 says, for each word that you have underlined, find a rhyming word in the list below. Underline only the words that rhyme with the parts of a car. The example they have given is wheels, seals. You can see that they have underlined wheels here and seals here to show us that the words are taken from there. So the words from this box have to rhyme with the words that we underlined in this box, the car parts. So let's see, part A. After wheels, the word we underlined is horn. So what word from this box can rhyme with horn? Read them all. You can pause the video and read them all. Bands, seals, pegs, born, cakes, meat, tour, pies. So what do you think here rhymes with horn? Yes, born. Good job. So you will write horn, born. Good job. Now part B. The second word we underlined was seat. So let's see what word rhymes with seat. Yes, good job. Meat. Meat rhymes with seat. So in part B we will write seat, meat. Now part C. The third word we underlined was door. So what word rhymes with door? Yes, good job. Tour. So you will write in part C, door, door. Good job. And then in part D, we have the word brakes. And what rhymes with brakes? Yes, cakes. So you will write brakes, cakes. Good job. Now the rest of the exercises we will do it in the next class. See you next time, students. Allah Hafiz.